Hánig meise chuine bhacaid son becin Christmas shopping i dhéanú agus bhaimar son barach grútain cheannach bh daoineanadal agus búideanadal son na Nollaig son becin chuide chuig agus becin airgid thuirst do ghaine agus gríomhachas in Irangelan.
Lá má hawn agus bhaimar son becin grútain cheannach son Nollaig. A gorscrim go mó. Bhí mé an gach bliana san éige ach an tuaire seo dul tron léon ach has trómas a bheith.
We wanted to do the market as part of the socially distanced Christmas shopping weekend that's run by it's run by all the shops, but we thought if we had our market in the middle it would attract more people to the town so they could spend some of their money locally and local shops, but at a social distance.
sé market ruhasach má hawn am bheith, ja, tarde per stú an, so ha mi kekchen cheannach go hawn an hin, so sin bhí yes, han jo mé a bhí gona stal zéile hast, a go Jana sing a stégol be an lá ein.
For me, it's really lovely to have an opportunity for people to meet at a social distance because of lockdown and because of the pandemic. People are feeling that they aren't seeing their neighbours, and so it's an opportunity for people to have a nod to their neighbours and say hi and feel a start of a little bit of a Christmas spirit, I think.
Mensen wil ik makkelijker nog veel dingen zijn kaars nog, gefijn korm a wie kale aan een duisabeltje. Agus kitje ga maar zo'n dingen in het al, ha via geen wie erg dat je nog eens een grievige zaken accumuleren dal.
We had a market yesterday with 7 stallholders and we've got a market today with 7 stallholders. So it's a mixture of produce and then we've got crafts. Like today we've got Carnival Crochet is having her first ever market here. There's a lot of homemade crafts and homegrown produce.
Ha chuma bhí fécinn Jeffar gúine istéine bhí na tainacin hín agus sé dóide hawn in córsnach a hín rí chéile I gastar ag an ná.
Time has left the places that we escaped to.